Alright guys, today we're going to talk about angles and transversals, and we're going to use the angle relationships that we talked about yesterday and Thursday to solve for the value of x. So in number one, I see that I have two pieces of information here. Now I need to determine what the angle relationship is between these two, and I know that they're on the same side of the transversal and they're outside of my parallel lines. Therefore, these are same side exterior angles, and these I know are equal to 180 degrees. So if I add these two angles together, I know they need to equal 180. So the way I can set up this equation is 100 plus x plus 10. The parentheses are unnecessary. If you want to add them, you can, but you do not need to. Needs to equal 180 degrees. And now I'm going to solve like I normally would when we talked about solving linear equations. So I need to combine my like terms. I have 100 and 10. If I combine those and add them together, I get 110. My x is left alone because it's the only thing here with an x. So I get x plus 110 is equal to 180. I need to get rid of this positive 110 by subtracting it, inverse operations. And I get x is equal to 70 degrees. Okay. Now it didn't ask me for the value of these. The x is equal to 70, which means right here. So if I plugged 70 in for x, I get 70 plus 10, which means this angle is equal to 80. X is equal to 10, but the angle is equal to 80, which, if I check, 100 plus 80 equals 180. So that works. I want to go down to number 5. This one looks a little funny, but it's because I should turn my paper. Now it looks normal. Now what I'm going to do is determine the relationship here. It could be, look at your yellow papers. We have vertical angles, adjacent angles. We have alternate interior and exterior. We have same side interior and exterior. Well, I know that these ones are alternate because they're on different sides of my transversal here. And they're on the inside of my parallel lines. So I have alternate interior angles, which are congruent, means they're equal to each other. When I have congruent angles, the equation I need to set up is one to where these two angles equal each other. So 135 equals x plus 15. Now I'm going to solve for x. I need to subtract 15 from both sides. Inverse operations. And I get x equals 120 degrees. Now if I wanted to check this and plug it in for x, I would get 120 plus 15 equals 135. 135 is congruent to 135, so I know that I got my value of x correct.